Hey everybody, it's Guy in the Orange Hat. It's about 4 a.m. Just getting on the road. Something really special coming today. Been on the road for about 4 hours now. Almost to our destination. Starting to get pretty excited. Weather's beautiful outside. I think it's going to be a great day. I hope you stick around to find out. We made it to Strasburg, and that was the action that we were looking for. Met up with a buddy of mine. We'll let him tell you what we came here to see.
What's up, guys? CRB Trains here. As you can see up there, Norfolk and Western 611, a northern on the Strasburg Railroad. That's pretty awesome. So we've just been chasing around all day. We've also got Norfolk and Western 475, which is wearing a hooter whistle. You can probably hear it in the background right there, but
so it was nice to finally get to meet him, do a little collaboration here on a video. So I hope you enjoyed what you see, and I'm going to link to his video in the description. Make sure you go check out his stuff too. He's got a great page, lots of steam. You'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Woo!